SAS interview question and answer. Question number 43. How do you import CSV data into SAS dataset? This question is asking about how can we import .csv data file into SAS dataset. CSV data can be imported into SAS dataset by using following procedure. First one is importing CSV file without delimiter, and second one is importing CSV file with custom delimiters. It is always better to open CSV file before importing into SAS. When we open CSV file, then we can observe whether the data is delimited or not. This first scenario is there is no delimiter. We use this code proc import data file, and we have to provide file name with extension with folder name, output data set name, dbms csv, replace option is used. That means if this out underscore class is already exist, then this file is replaced by new data. Get names equals to yes. That means we assume first row includes variable name, and we are going to pull variable name as well, and run. When we run this first set of the code, then CSV file will convert into SAS dataset. Then second one is importing CSV file with custom delimiter. Example is shown here right side, first table. There is one table name is CSV underscore EMP. This is the data set, and data set is delimited by semicolon. Such type of the data is called custom delimited data. In such a scenario, we use second set of code. Proc import data file, provide the data source location with extension, output SAS dataset name, dbms csv, replace. Delimiter is here inside code we use semicolon. Because in this example, custom delimiter is semicolon, that's why we use delimiter equals to inside the code semicolon. Get names yes, and run. When we run second set of the code, then we will get the result as shown on the right side second table. First table represents input data source, and second table is output data. Here input data means custom delimited by semicolon data is imported into SAS dataset. There is a note. If CSV data is delimited by some special characters or symbols, then dbms is CSV and delimiter is respective special characters or symbols. Similarly, if CSV data is delimited by single space, then dbms is CSV and delimiter is inside the code we use single space. If we run same set of code from the SAS window, this is the first set of code where it has without custom delimiter CSV file import. That means proc import. This is the location of this data set class underscore data. Output data set name is out underscore class, dbms csv, replace, get name, and run. This is the one of the example without custom delimiter. This file location is here. When I check file location, this is the class data, class underscore data. Let me check the location here, properties, and this is the exact location we have provided here. Close. When we run first set of the code, then it will convert CSV file into SAS dataset. This is the SAS dataset where source was CSV file format. Let me go to the code again. This is the second set of code. That means with custom delimiter CSV file import. This is the data file name csv underscore emp.csv, which has custom delimited by semicolon. That's why we use here delimiter is inside the code semicolon. When we run this second set of code, then we will get the exactly same result as explained before. That means custom delimited by semicolon file has converted into SAS dataset. In this way, we can import CSV data file into SAS dataset. That's all about question number 43. Thank you.